In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your battery percentage is not showing on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. If you want your battery percentage to be showing right here, the first thing you want to do is to go into settings, either through here in the quick settings menu or through the settings app. Then you want to go into battery, and here make sure battery percentage is turned on. This should show your percentage. Alternatively, if you don't want to use this for whatever reason, you could try using a battery health app. For example, you could try using something like so just search up battery and choose the app you like the most. For example, Battery Guru. Just wait for it to install and then just use it. Just go through. You might have to give it permissions for certain things in order for it to work. Let it configure itself to your battery. Go through, and you can continue with a free version or buy it or go with a daily ad in order to maintain premium. And now, as you can see in a notification, it's visible right here, battery percentage. It also shows how much power you're actually using, how much longer your battery has left by looking at the current amount of power being consumed. The temperature of your battery, which you should take care to make sure it's not too high, otherwise it might be shortening its lifespan or causing battery drain. It could be that some of those apps may have a widget that could be showing you your battery percentage too. So you could look for widgets right there and just see if there are any. As you can see, there aren't any to this one. But if there were, you would find them there. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.